So guys, for the first method, if you're using an external camera with a USB cable, you want to try to unplug it and then plug it back in. See if that works for you. For the second method, check your camera's manufacturer website and see if there's any drivers that you can download from there. For the third method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Camera Frame Server. We're going to scroll down. There's going to be two of them right here. So for the first one, you want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Repeat that for the second one, double click on it, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the next method, if you're using Skype or Teams or any application that you're using your camera on, try to uninstall that application and then reinstall it again. See if that works for you. And now for the last method, just try simply doing a restart of your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.